Advanced Diagnostics Smart Pro. Finally got it, gonna unbox it. Let's see what we got. It had a super good deal. It was only $2,200 US with 6 months worth of tokens. So unlimited tokens for 6 months. So I'm gonna unbox it and then we'll have some follow-up videos on using it. Stay tuned, more videos coming, and let's unbox it right now. Yeah. Let's just go. It's a big box, huh?
Good size.
Here you go, that one there. Oh my goodness. Shoot extremely well. Look at that case. Oh my goodness. So there, Advanced Diagnostics Smart Pro. My goodness, look at the case here. And look at this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here we go. That's got a lockable. Wow, just like a pelican case. So of course we have, that's a pretty skookum unit. Wow, heavy. Comes with a cable. Power, is that power supply for charging? For downloading, uploading the software. And oh, another plug. There's a few more cables we got on order, and we can also use some of the other cables that we have right now. So, pretty skookum unit. It's right out of the box, so we're going to charge it up, and let's see what we got. The Advanced Diagnostics Smart Pro for the car programmer. Super good deal. It came with unlimited tokens for 6 months. Found a minor problem, which is not covered in the documentation. Plugged it in, had no problem upgrading the software. It went extremely well, except for one thing. When we took off the power, it wouldn't program on. So it was good hooking into a car, but right like this, it wouldn't come on once it was unplugged. Minor problem, and I'll show you what we did to fix it.